Ever found yourself wide awake at 3 in the morning staring at the ceiling, your mind racing with thoughts, constantly feeling stressed out? Rest assured you are not alone. 1 in 5 people in the UK report not getting enough sleep. But why is sleep so elusive, and what role does stress play in this? Let's dive into the world of sleep and stress.
Many sleep issues stem from stress, creating a phenomenon known as the sleep-stress cycle. But first, what is sleep? Sleep is a state of rest that accounts for 1/3 of a person's lifespan. During sleep, there is reduced mental and physical activity and consciousness is altered. Certain sensory activity is also inhibited and allows your body and mind to recharge. Your need for sleep changes as you age, as teenagers require around 8 to 10 hours per night, whereas adults need around 7 to 9 hours per night. So why do we need sleep? Scientists don't know for sure, but we know that sleep serves as a form of housekeeping by removing toxins from your brain that accumulate whilst you're awake. Sleep supports healthy brain functioning and is essential for your well-being and physical health. During sleep, biological processes occur such as consolidating new information, nerve cell communication, and energy replenishment. Sleep is just as vital for survival as eating and breathing, yet many people don't see it that way. It's a shared experience that a good night's sleep improves physical and cognitive performance, whereas lack of sleep worsens your concentration, reactions, and daily activities. Human subjects with less than 6 hours of sleep or patients with sleep apnea show significant reductions in memory performance and cognitive assessment. Research also shows higher risk of health issues like high blood pressure, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, depression, and obesity. Without sleep, your body cannot efficiently restore, leaving you feeling less refreshed for the next day. The two types of sleep, REM and non-REM, occur in 4 stages. Stage 1 non-REM sleep is a period of light sleep only lasting a few minutes. Stage 2 non-REM sleep is where the body relaxes and your body temperature drops. Stage 3 of non-REM is the most important, known as deep sleep, where the body recovers, grows, and prepares us to feel refreshed upon wakening. Finally, there's REM sleep, the stage where dreams come to life, kicking in about 90 minutes after falling asleep. These stages repeat cyclically throughout the night, lasting about 90 to 120 minutes. So how does your body regulate when to sleep and be awake? It involves your circadian rhythm and an internal 24-hour clock, regulating the cycles of alertness and sleepiness. Environmental changes in light influence the clock, helping promote consistent restorative sleep. The suprachiasmatic nucleus, located within the hypothalamus, houses your biological clock. Throughout the day, light exposure prompts the release of glutamate in the SCN, generating alertness and maintaining wakefulness. As evening approaches, the internal clock initiates the release of melatonin, a sleep-promoting hormone, sending signals to support uninterrupted sleep. Using electronics that emit blue light at night can alter your circadian rhythm by hindering melatonin production. Without enough melatonin, it becomes difficult to fall and stay asleep. However, other factors including diet, caffeine, alcohol, exercise, travel, and pain or illnesses can impact sleep.
Yet stress can majorly disrupt our sleep patterns. Stress is your reaction to pressure or threats from internal or external challenges called stressors, activating your fight or flight response and releasing adrenaline and cortisol hormones. This reaction throws off your homeostatic balance, involving your nerves, endocrine, and immune systems. It engages the sympamedullary pathway, or SAM, and the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal, or HPA, axis. Yet your stress response is adaptive, allowing you to escape dangerous situations and maintain homeostasis, irrespective of changes inside the body like temperature, volume of water, and consumption of nutrients and oxygen. However, prolonged stress disrupts this balance, leading to maladaptive reactions and health issues like depression, anxiety, and heart disease. But how does stress affect sleep? Elevated stress during the day may lead to hyperarousal, causing the adrenal cortisol system to dysregulate your energy sources throughout the night. This results in decreased REM sleep, causing sleep fragmentation, also known as night awakenings. Animal studies on social conflict stress in rodents have resulted in immediate effects on their sleep, noticeably reducing REM sleep. Further studies have highlighted that inducing psychological stress in rodents results in sleep debt. So stress affects animal sleep just like us humans. Studies have found that adults who sleep less than 8 hours a night report higher stress levels than those sleeping more than 8 hours. Also, poor sleep quality is associated with psychological and mental stress. Sleep deprivation contributes to higher disruptive cortisol levels, causing your body to act as if it's in distress. Sleep and stress share a bidirectional relationship. As your sleep worsens, this leads to intensifying stress. However, increased stress can contribute to trouble sleeping, creating a cycle. To ensure the best beauty sleep and break free from the sleep-stress cycle, you can adopt a holistic approach. We know achieving the recommended 7 to 9 hours of sleep can be challenging whilst your mind is still active from daily responsibilities, but by modifying your nighttime behaviours, you can break the cycle. Aim to incorporate 20 to 30 minutes of daily exercise and practice mindfulness, yoga, or meditation. Limit late-day caffeine intake and be mindful of blue light exposure. Establish a consistent sleep schedule and create an optimal sleeping environment by minimizing bright lights and noise. Now you know sleep is a vital, complex process crucial to your health and well-being, where stress can heavily disrupt your sleeping patterns and cause psychological and behavioral changes. By understanding this cycle, you can take the first steps towards reducing stress and achieving the restful sleep you need and deserve.